you give up or try again? If I hesitate to let you in, be yourself or play a role to all the boys to keep it low. If it's a no, would you turn away or play me off? Or would you say if you just don't succeed?